Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Baiyin is a type of traditional Hakka music historically used to welcome guests, worship ancestors, or celebrate feasts and other happy occasions. Nowadays, however, Baiyin is often used during funerals. The main instrument is the music of the suona, a relative of the oboe, accompanied by erhu and percussive instruments.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And when it comes to We Love Hakka, we talk about food, we talk about culture, we talk about performances, but we rarely talk about music. And honestly, we are a music station, so we should talk more about music.
是啊，
所以有什么客家的音乐是很特别的呢？
最特别啊，我跟你讲，就是我们过年过节啊，一定要听的就是客家八音。
客家八音，客家的
八音主要是有很多种乐器组合起来的。那里面呢，我们主要的主奏的乐器应该就是他给唢呐。
Oh, suona. Okay, so this is a very traditional Chinese instrument that leads the 8 tones. Literally means 8 tones, 八音, but it's a type of Hakka traditional music, and leading it is the suona. Okay?
对。
还有什么乐器的？
然后再搭配上什么胡琴啦，还有锣啊、鼓啊，这几种乐器把它搭配起来，就会变成一个很热闹的一个音乐。
Sounds interesting. Again, accompanying the suona are other traditional Chinese instruments, including string instruments and percussion instruments as well, and together it makes a very beautiful sound, right? 这是非常特别的、很有特色的这种音乐表达方式。
没错没错，而且讲到唢呐哈，我就要介绍有一位大师他可以同时吹4把唢呐。
There's a well-known instrumentalist, a musician, if you will, that can actually play 4 of those traditional suonas together at once. 那这个人叫什么名字呢？
就是陈庆松大师。
Okay, this master is known as 陈庆松. All right.
你可能听这个名字会比较陌生一点，但是你一定有听过这个团体，叫做庆美园。
这就是陈老师的一个团体，对不对？
对。
All right. There's a very well-known opera troupe known as 庆美园, and that is led by this master that Leo just mentioned. Again, this whole traditional music is called 八音, and uses a very interesting and traditional instrument known as suona.
他给。
And next time, if you have a chance, go check out Mr. Chen's troupe, okay?
对啊。
All right, so there you have it. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
案子say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.